Hi, my name is Vladimir Steblev and I'm Global Marketing Manager in EasyRobotics. Our company has sold more than 1,000 robot cells all over the world. We have 120 distributors in 36 countries, and this amount keeps growing. Today, I would like to introduce you to the ProFeeder Flex. It is available in 3 layouts: Flex Base, Flex 1 and Flex 3. This is Flex 3. It's a mobile working station. It has 3 spacious tables on the sides. Each table is made of 3 mm solid steel. It has a wide loading area, which is 600 by 400 mm, and it can handle up to 60 kilos without bending. Like all other products from EasyRobotics, the ProFeeder Flex is fully compatible with 99% of modern collaborative robots. Let's take a look at the controller compartment. It is very easy to access. The controller compartment is spacious. There is room enough for any kind of controller. The locking system of the ProFeeder Flex is highly reliable. Together with 4 locks on the wheels, we have 2 docking plates on each side and 2 locking pins, so altogether the whole system is very stable. Another great thing about ProFeeder Flex is its mobility. It is equipped with 4 heavy-duty castor wheels, which can be used to move it easily around the production area, just like that. To find your local distributor, please visit easyrobotics.biz.